Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate healthy living with Mindbody, full guide step by step clearly. To start automating healthy living with Mindbody, begin by downloading the Mindbody app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing your basic information. After registering, take a moment to explore the app's interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Navigate to the search bar to find local fitness classes and wellness services that suit your interests. Filter your search results based on categories like yoga, Pilates, personal training, or beauty services. Once you've found a class or service that appeals to you, check its availability and schedule. Book your spot directly through the app, which often allows seamless payment options as well. Utilize the calendar feature within Mindbody to manage your appointments and classes for the week. Set reminders for your scheduled activities to stay on track with your healthy lifestyle. Explore the app's wellness section for additional resources, including nutrition tips and mindfulness practices. Choose to connect your wearable fitness devices with Mindbody for a comprehensive view of your health metrics. Incorporate the app's goal-setting feature to establish and track your personal health objectives. Utilize the journal function to log your meals, workouts, and overall mood to monitor your progress. Join community groups through the app to connect with like-minded individuals focusing on wellness. Regularly evaluate your progress through the insights provided by the app's analytics. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your journey toward a healthier lifestyle using Mindbody. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.